Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Currently, we're going, me and my friend, for a matcha hunt. So, I'm gonna record everything. I like my makeup today, generally. It's looking so good, and my outfit. Oh my days, it's looking absolutely delicious. So yeah guys, this is me. Okay. And guys, this is the food. We ordered margarita. Now you get to eat. Okay, which were the nice side? Okay, is it the back?
We are passenger business. She's the one who is driving.
I'm the driver.
We don't know how to drive.
Picking up the call.
Yeah.
Now guys, that's it. We're leaving. And this is so friendly place.
Ooh, this is the outfit, bro. Everybody's outfit.
Pretty.
Look at this.
Wow.
What was the... That's $6.98. Wallahi, it looks good.
Guys, this is so beautiful. How is this even genuinely? Again. So sick. How is this even real? Me and with my reality. But genuinely, this place is Karen, something like that, and it's so nice, beautiful, greeny, and perfect weather. So we had a lunch, and now we are going to a coffee shop to drink coffee, and I'll show you guys around. basically today is just girls' day. We went out, so that's it. That's all. Guys, now we get to go. We're going now. This is the place we came from. Screaming. The air is so hot. Music. Look at this, bro. We had the nicest video ever. That is so nice.
Turn left.
We are going that way.
The kind of girl like me.
In 200
She
meters,
got
turn right on
on
Karen Place Road.
That's what I love her. Miss Independent. Little time she
Turn right on Manwaka Lane.
That's why I love her.
In 1.6 kilometers, turn left on Langata Road.
That's why I love her. Guys, we came to Ikulu Espresso Bar and we tried the matcha in here. The place is actually so aesthetic and so nice. This is what is behind me, and now we're going to try how the matcha tastes. So let's see how it is. There's a lot of cute details in here. So cute. Let's try. Now we're going to try. guys, I'm back home now, and genuinely it was nice. Matcha, nice outing, cute coffee shop, aesthetic, 10 out of 10. I loved it. I loved it. But the matcha was amazing. The matcha, genuinely, they are actually doing the actual matcha, and I'm giving that like 10 out of 10. Like, honestly speaking, it was amazing. I just loved it. Loved it. So now we are home. Yeah, I'm going to take this beautiful makeup and yeah, chill the night. So I'll see you in the next outing, inshallah. And next place to see. We are not going to stop a coffee hunting, coffee nature. By the way, since I came here, the nature of the coffee shops that I have been seeing was amazing. Generally, I loved it. This was the casual outfit that I went with. Let me show you. And it was nice, by the way. The owner was nice, the barista was nice, the people was nice. Genuinely, I love the vibe there. I will write down the name. What was it? I actually forget, but I will write down. And yeah, just go visit. It's nice and cozy, by the way, so go visit and see what you like, and I'm sure you are going to like it, inshallah. Cheers, see you to the next vlog. Bye. Hi guys, today I came to House of Nita, and we are going to try the matcha they have, and yeah, it's all girls, so it's just so nice. The vibe is really so nice, and I'm going to flop around and show you around. But this is my behind, is so cute and nice, and this is the area that they make coffee, the section of coffee, and I'm going to show you. Oh, it's flipping. Just give me a second. That area is the skincare. Look at these flowers. So cute. And this is one area that's so nice. I don't want to put people's face. That's so cute. By the way, it's near to my house, like 5 minutes away. It's so near to me, and it was so easy to find it, by the way. And there's another section on that side. It's for content, I think, and people are seeing content in there. So yeah, it's cute, and I like it so much. I might come during the day. I don't know, it's not quiet. I like quiet and peaceful. But yeah, what else you can do now? So stay with me. And while I'm here, I don't know my face, why is it so black? It's giving blacky. I'm going to call my sister. Yes. People are just looking at you, I don't know why. Interesting, right? Also, I didn't take pictures in my phone, so I might take pictures. Let's see if we like the coffee. And I will be back. See, they open the lights, and this is the lighting. So cute, nice. Nice. Stop. Say hi to the vlog. She is with me in my solo date, so she will be the next. She will be the person be there for me. Anyway, stay in there. Yeah, I'm vlogging, bro, for my YouTube. I forget my YouTube, bro. What did you say, bro? Why are you here today? What's going on? Why didn't you go to somewhere other than there in the home? Oh, do you know? So cute. This is the skincare. Some people are just doing there. Anyway guys, that's the whole thing. I'm going to take video. I like it so far. And this is the section of the food area. I mean cookies. The orders are taking very late. But guys, my matcha arrived. It looks like this. It's a bit late. I don't know why is it so late. The orders. So far, the 5 is 10 out of 10. I like it. Yeah. Let me show you there. You guys, the area, it's just something like that. Let's see the high water is so high. How come I get skinny again? So all my rings are falling off. Guys, it tastes like milk. I don't know why is it tasting like milk. And these days the milk is hurting my stomach so bad. Whenever I drink matcha in here, like Kenya, I think the matcha in Kenya or whatever, the milk in Kenya is hurting my stomach. I don't know why. What is the reason? I don't know, but that's one thing, and I don't like it so well. It just hurts my stomach. And this one is the look is so nice, genuinely, but the problem is the taste is smooth. So far, I ordered cinnamon roll, cinnamon bun, nothing. Still didn't care. It's been I have zero patience, but I don't know. It's been a bit longer than expected. So mhm. I ordered cinema rolls.
You want this one?
Yeah,
Sorry.
it's okay. I'm so feeling. She forgave my order. But she said sorry. I like the girl in there. One time I saw her in Amsterdam, I think. Now I have done research. So far she's good. I like her. Come for her. Come to the coffee shop. Yeah. I'm sorry. It's alright. And the matcha is like the milk.
You want to fill the matcha? What else?
Yeah.
I can add the matcha. You can add the matcha.
That's so cool. Thank you so much. So, do you go to change the matcha? I love it. I'm going to do a tasty testing soda. I will do. Mega. Now they change. It's full green and it tastes much better. It's nice. I mean, give now maybe 7. Yeah, it's actually nice. But now let's try this meat. Cinema lotus, something like that. Yeah. It's actually tasting so good. 10 out of 10. I think this is the best I think. It's so warm and fresh. So it's actually so good. I need to bring back my solo dates because that's one of the best that I had it so far. In Otter, I just was going all the time solo date most of the times, and now in Nairobi, I have like now solo. I like enjoying my own company by the way. I love that. I love that for me. You know, my favorite places is like it has to be calm, nice songs, or calm songs. What else? Yeah, nature. With nature too. So calm. Here is as someone like me who doesn't like a lot of people. Yeah, not good, but yeah, if you are extrovert and literally genuinely introvert, that's why I like my own company most of the time for as people in my life.
But if you are extrovert, here is so good because it's fully girls, first of all, and then the vibe is vibing, you know? So I'll see you around for the next what do you call next vlog. Do you hear that song? I used to be obsessed with Williams. Yeah, like now. Yeah, bye, guys.
Guess what? Where we came today? Cotton tree. It's so beautiful. I love the rain. We're dance. This is how you walk with the rain. But still, we like the rain.
I love the rain. Ah, you love getting rain.
I love the rain. Hi, thank you so much. So beautiful.
Oh, you are touching a feet.
Yeah. You mind?
Yeah?
Do you mind?
No.
Alright.
Yeah, no problem.
Girls' day out today. Hello. What are we doing today?
We are loving the rain.
So we got Hassa and me. We are loving the weather and we love
Gloomy
the
weather.
gloomy weather, rainy.
Enjoy it the
Yeah.
most.
Yeah.
Someone somewhere
Someone
is suffering.
I'm gonna show you how she's look
covered
like
herself is Masai Chuka. And
Yeah.
she doesn't like the rain
doesn't
or
like
the gloomy weather.
now. Yeah. She told us,
Anyway,
yeah, you
we saw
enjoy
it for her.
it.
And we're enjoying.
The smell and everything.
So what are you saying? Let's sit in the rain. I love the rain. I love the rain so much. I want them to sit in the rain. Look at me, I'm freezing, bro.
Bro, it's not even that cold. Why are you
I don't
freezing?
like cold weather. I don't like cold weather.
It's not cold. It's just
cold.
it's just raining, bro.
It's still cold, bro. I'm actually cold.
So can you talk about the days that we were in Doha and we used to love hot and we didn't even feel anything?
No, for me, I actually enjoyed it at some point. At some point, the humidity gets so much.
Yeah.
But I've never been someone who likes cold. I can't survive.
You weren't actually complaining, to be honest. I was the one who was complaining.
You're the one who's complaining.
24/7,
I was
yeah.
just complaining about the AC.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Because of the AC, it was just cold for her. It was
I used to wear a sweater in the room.
and socks and socks.
The heat was beating. And socks.
It's mid of summer and she's wearing socks in the house, bro. Like.
I agree.
Anyway, guys, this is the place. It's so nice. It calls Cotton Tree, and it's so beautiful, to be honest. I love it so far. But they are serving some, as you can see, wine, vodka, stuff like that. We're not taking. We were not gonna take anything because they said
what they call work. So far, I'm going to stay here and see how I enjoy it and have a girls' day today. I love girls' day, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah. 100K.
It doesn't have a strong taste.
Let's see if this tastes nice. Let's do tasty, but it's so good. Was it with cheese?
Dimmi yeah, what is this called? Dimmi garden, in Tigoni also, they have one.
It's just like different, but it's nice.
Okay?
Different.
Does it have the same aftertaste?
No.
I'm throwing shit. Can you hear it?
Yeah, I know. Shades.
It has a flavor.
A flavor, but different flavor that we never had it. But at the same time, it's tasting like deep milk, watery.
Watery wire. واحد بيكون درين.
Yeah.
واحد بيكون شيء.
But we can't taste it like
The
actual
matcha.
matcha.
Yeah, it's not.
She always making that face, bro. I hate her face. How's it?
It's actually not bad. It has some flavor. I don't know what the flavor.
Yeah, different flavor than we used to.
What is that flavor?
Herb or something. I don't know.
No, it's not this. Is it peppermint?
No, not peppermint. Something else, I don't know.
It's a different taste.
What is it?
It's actually not bad.
But it
Does it
give you.
Yeah, you. Okay,
What is that?
fine.
It's okay.
She said it's okay.
Yeah, it's actually, it's not like.
Okay. It's drinkable. Okay. By the way, she's lying, guys.
It's matcha. That's a lie. Never trust her, that girl. Her face can tell everything genuinely. So that's all, guys. I will record a bit of it from here, and then I'm trying to peace out.
You are never.
Guys, my camera is not giving it justice, to be honest. It's so beautiful. You open the light and it's so beautiful. What about it? My camera is not giving it justice. Why?